So you can actually go ahead and then go to this website, ILovePDF.com, and without even signing in, perform the basic task right here. But for workflows right here, and then for saving files, you do need to create out your account. And once you actually create your account and sign in, this is what you see right here. On the top right hand side, you see your name and your email right here. And if you were to go to account setting right here, then you will be able to see your profile settings over here. So around over here, if you were to go around, you can see the profile settings and you can see your first name, your last name right here, just like this, and you can see your email as well. And if you want to go ahead and change this out, you can change this out. So if I were to click on change, you can see that I got Pratik right here. So I can go ahead and let's say, for example, type in the surname right here, just like this. You can go ahead and then change out the country right here, just like this, and choose the time zone as you want as well. So you can go ahead and change the basic profile settings right here. And if you want to go ahead and change out, let's say, email right here, you can go ahead and change that out as well. So you can actually go ahead and enter out a new email address and your account will be updated accordingly. Apart from that, what you can also do is over here in the social links, right now I am already connected to my Google account. If you're not connected, you can click on Google right here, and then what happens is that it'll go ahead and connect your Google account to it right here. But apart from that, you can also connect your SSO and Facebook if you want to as well, so that you can go ahead and sign in with those accounts as well. And this is basically what you can do right here to change out your profile. If you were to go to the business settings, and if you're using this tool for a business, then you can update out your business details right here, the billing details right here, just like this as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.